Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting essential prerequisites out of the way so nothing blocks you. Install Python 3.10 or newer and verify the version. This ensures consistent behavior. Next, pick your coding app, VS Code for extensibility or PyCharm for integrated tools, because your workflow depends on it. Once chosen, create and activate a virtual environment to isolate dependencies. This prevents library conflicts and keeps projects reproducible. Make sure to install the app's Python extension and restart the editor before moving on. You now build and execute code inside the app, so open your project folder and add main, Py or a package layout to organize logic. Use the editor's run configuration to run scripts quickly and set breakpoints to inspect variables while debugging. This reveals program flow and hidden bugs. Once done with coding, lock dependencies by exporting requirements, TXT or using piproject. TOML with a lock file because reproducibility matters. Also integrate linting and formatting to keep code readable and reduce errors before commit. You finish by validating and packaging so the app works for others. Write and run tests with PyTest to confirm behavior. Test failures point to regressions early. When tests pass, package as a wheel, use Docker for reproducible runtime, or deploy directly to your target environment depending on needs. Finally, commit and push to remote to preserve work. If something breaks, check the interpreter, virtual environment activation, and path settings first. Most issues come from the wrong environment or missing dependencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.